It seems like not a day goes by when there's not a new groundbreaking or ribbon-cutting ceremony of some sort happening in Washington County. But today's groundbreaking for a new outpatient facility for Intermountain Health will perhaps be the most significant one for our community.
One of a kind, state-of-the-art, one-stop shopping. These are a few phrases used to describe Dixie Regional Medical Center's newest project.
If all goes according to plan, in the next 2 years, this will be a 6-story, 150,000 square foot outpatient pavilion that will provide additional services for rehabilitation and physical therapy.
It's going to be great because it expands the scope of services that we're able to provide to this community.
Some of the additions include a comprehensive spine and pain center, an executive screening program for health and fitness, and a sports medicine clinic. Terry Kane, the CEO administrator of Dixie Regional, says plans have been in the works for a couple of years as a response to the rapidly growing number of outpatient surgeries.
If you're here for one day for surgery, you'll be able to come in, get your procedure, your tests, and have your be able to go out and not have to navigate through a big medical center on the inside.
Among the speakers at today's groundbreaking was Lacey Frankie, who shared the story of her son CJ. He's recovering now after being diagnosed with a brain tumor nearly 2 years ago. Terry says the new outpatient facility will meet a greater number of patients' needs for people just like CJ who don't want to travel far from home to get help.
The pavilion will cost around $70 million and will be located directly east of the River Road campus.